Hello, I am Sobha Bansiwal, Assistant Professor English, SPC Government College, Bhim. Today I am going to explain the rest of the summary of the novel Coolie by Mulk Raj Anand. After the destruction of the career of Dayaram, Manu has no job, so he starts working as a coolie in a grain market. Here he finds himself very uncomfortable because the atmosphere around him is very dingy, and there is ponds of stagnant water, mosquitoes and flies, and he has to sleep on bakes, jute bakes of grains, and he finds it difficult to uplift heavy uh, bakes of grains. So he decides to work as a coolie in a vegetable market. Here in vegetable market, uh, he finds bakes less heavy, and Manu one day Manu meets a elephant driver who works in a circus. Manu sees this circus, and he um, becomes familiar with this elephant driver, and through this elephant driver he comes to Bombay. In Bombay he meets uh, a man whose name is Harihar, uh, Harihar works in a cotton white cotton mill, um, and so he Harihar goes to his village and brings his family in Bombay. He has his wife Lakshmi and his two children. Um, Through his help, uh, Manu finds a job in this mill. Here, the supervisor is Jimmy Thomas, who is a white man, and he exploits the laborers. He takes heavy, uh, uh, heavy charges of. He he takes heavy charges uh, for the loan which these laborers uh, uh, take from him, uh, and he also takes heavy prices for rents uh, from the laborers. Harihar quarrels with Jimmy Thomas, and Ratan, who is also a co-worker of Harihar, comes to his rescue, and he threatens Jimmy Thomas. Later, there is a strike in this factory, in this mill, and uh, the workers make a union, and mm, they stand against the uh, uh, um, administration of this factory. So one day Harihar's son is injured. He is rushed to hospital. When they come back from hospital, there is heavy rain, and uh, Harihar's house hut is washed away in water. So he Ratan, who is a co-worker in this mill, helps Harihar in finding an accommodation. um, Ratan asks his friend Sibu to provide accommodation to um, Harihar, and he agrees for that. When Jimmy Thomas comes to know that he will not be able to find rent from now on because Harihar is vacating the hut, so he starts torturing him. Uh, the When there is a strike, the administration of the mill um, create some rumors in people that Hindu people are kidnapping the Mohammedans. So there is a there is rights in Hindus and Muslims, not only in Mill area but in many parts of Bombay. And Manu doesn't understand what is happening, and he becomes scared and he runs away from there, and he meets an accident from a car. uh, uh, this car is of Mrs. Van Maring, who lives in Simla, and Mrs. Van Waring is scared of these Hindu-Muslim rights, and so she decides to take Manu in the car to Simla. When Manu becomes conscious, he finds himself in Simla. Uh, Mrs. Manwaring is a elderly woman, and uh, she has married many men, and she has left them also. She becomes attracted towards Manu. She employs Manu as a domestic servant, and as a rickshaw puller. uh, she she also becomes she also develops physical relation with Manu. uh, Manu becomes she becomes very exploited by this woman. Wherever she goes, Manu pulls the rickshaw, and so Manu becomes very uh, weak. He suffers consumption, and he is treated by a doctor, um, um, Dr. Merchant. Later, Dr. Merchant and Mrs. Waring uh, feel attracted towards each other, and they starts to go outside, and Manu pulls the rickshaw, uh, uh, in which Mrs. Waring and Dr. Merchant are sitting. Manu's consumption becomes very serious, and the doctor also suggests uh, Manu to be serious about his health. Uh, then there is a uh, there is a show arranged by the Viceroy, and here Mrs. Waring also attends this uh, dance show, and Manu pulls his rickshaw, and here Manu sees the English people, English men and women, and their dresses, and their living styles, and other laborers makes fun of English people, and uh, they criticize them. Uh, then Manu's consumption becomes very serious. He begins to spit out blood, and at last he dies of consumption. uh, Thank you.